in all of our books we try to put a lot of details that maybe will be discovered upon further reading. You might not notice it the first time around, but if you look through the book, you'll find these little details that were hiding in plain sight, or maybe sometimes that were actually hidden. And one of the things that I think is really fun, especially now that we've got 8 books, is there's a little red bird that is on the cover of the first Those Darn Squirrels book, and Dan calls it the Sophia bird. His wife's name is Sophia. And that little bird appears in every single book. It's hidden, and it's there in every single one. Some of them it's harder to find than others, but I promise you it's there in every book. So that's a fun thing to go back and look for.